This fall season at Ramon at home. Do you want to learn how to create beautiful tray displays for your fall entertainment? Do you want to create a beautiful swag for above your door? Do you want to learn how to decorate a beautiful urn for your patio? Do you want to create a large bouquet? Do you want to create a beautiful fall wreath using a Christmas wreath form? Do you want to make a beautiful fall centerpiece using a crystal stand? From centerpieces to wreaths to patio decorating, I'm gonna link up on the icon right here all of the projects so you can catch up on 2018's fall season. Hello everyone, I'm Ramon and this is Ramon at Home. On this channel we talk about interior design, seasonal home decor, DIY projects and shopping tips, all on a budget so you can create a space that tells your story. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and if you already subscribed, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Let's get started. And what I mean is we have these leftover pics from other projects, also all the way down, and that's gonna give us not only the height but a little bit of the width. That's what your swag on your door can look like. It'll match your entryway bouquet. Focal point. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and insert the main flower first, like that, and you want them to come forward. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and poke it with one of these guys right here, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and add one of these right here to give it a little bit of length. And I'd had so much fun showing you guys all of these projects leading up to this. Welcome to my home decorated for fall. Let's go in. Some of these of my collection right here, and then I'm gonna add some other trinkets that I have just for visual display. This is a magnifying glass, and then this is a little pair of scissors that I have purchased at an antique store right here. So it's all about symmetry. And then on top of that, I'm gonna add the beautiful bouquet that I made